my sun's not shining today? I was supposed to be having a picnic.
Maybe he's snoozing.
He has been shining a little, but not enough.
Why don't we go and ask him?
Brilliant!
Yeah. Hello. Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey!
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Yeah. No idea. Can't. Stop now.
Come on, let's catch him. Good job, Sonia. You stopped him.
Yes, poor son has a bad case of hiccups.
So that's why you kept going missing this morning.
Yeah, it's driving me mad.
Don't worry, son. We'll help you. Do you know any ways to stop hiccups?
Dad says that holding your breath for 7 seconds always works.
Brilliant! Let's try.